One broom, 1,000 possibilities. A broom is not just for sweeping. All you need is a regular broom and a sock that fits over its head. Pour a bit of fabric softener onto the sock. It has anti-static properties, so dust settles more slowly. A broom with a soaked sock is perfect for cleaning floors, carpets, or even ceilings. Apply shaving foam to both sides of the broom head, covering all the bristles. Then flip it over and spread the foam across your tiles or shower cabin. Sprinkle salt on the broom and leave it overnight. Fill a bowl with warm, not boiling water. Add about 2 cups of vinegar and half a cup of salt. Place the broom into the bucket. This soak will deep clean it. By morning, the bristles will look brand new. Stick clear tape to the bristles of the broom. This trick might look strange, but it really works. After cleaning, just peel off the tape and toss it away. No more digging out debris from inside the broom. I've never been so happy with a broom before. If you have a fine hairnet, place it over the broom head. That fine mesh will make cleaning much easier. The broom will catch even the tiniest dirt. Everything will cling to it like never before. Put a trash bag inside your pillowcase and you won't regret it. Next time you change your bedding, try this trick. I've been using it regularly and it works wonders. All you need is a clean, large trash bag, big enough to fit your pillow. First, check the size by placing the bag over the pillow. Once you're sure it fits, put the pillow inside the bag. Make sure the entire pillow is covered. Take a vacuum cleaner and insert the hose into the bag like I did. Turn on the vacuum and hold the bag tightly. In seconds, the air will be sucked out and the pillow will shrink. Remove the vacuum hose and keep the bag sealed. Now your pillow is perfectly compressed. That's exactly what we're aiming for. Get your pillowcase ready and start sliding the bag with the pillow inside. Place the bag from the sealed end into the pillowcase. Once the pillow is fully inside, pull the bag out, leaving the pillow in the case. This trick makes it easy to fit even a large pillow into a small pillowcase without any stress or frustration. I sprinkle it on the old creaky floor. I bought it for a few pounds at the pharmacy. It solved the annoying problem of creaky panels. I wish I had known about this trick earlier. Over the years, wooden floors and panels start to come apart. Holes form under the boards, causing them to move. Walking on the old floor often produces unpleasant creaking. It turns out that these holes can be easily filled, the places where gaps or creaking appear. Generously sprinkle ordinary talcum powder. Sprinkle a lot so that it fills the holes. Sprinkle it along the seams of the boards, then press it in with your hand. It should get into the gaps in the floor. Repeat the process until the floor stops moving. Next, sweep off the excess talcum powder from the boards. This powder reduces friction between the floor elements. Talc is used in industry as a filling component. It is simple and safe to use. Finally, wipe the floor with a damp cloth to get rid of the white residue. And that's it. The panels no longer make a sound. Vacuum cleaner attachments matter. Each one saves time during cleaning. You're probably using just one all the time, and that's a big mistake. Switching attachments will make your vacuuming faster. The most popular and standard attachment is for carpets, and we usually use it for the whole house. But that's wrong. Let me show you how and which attachment to use exactly. Use the small T-shaped vacuum attachment for cleaning floors, but also for chair and sofa upholstery. Dust and pet hair collect on sofa surfaces, bringing in dust mites and allergens, so it's worth cleaning them with the flat nozzle. The round brush attachment is perfect for cleaning lampshades, wicker baskets, artificial flowers, and other plastic items. Its soft bristles gently remove dust and dirt. We often forget to clean inside cabinets, dressers, and shelves. It's easy to clean them using the crevice tool, which effortlessly removes dust and dirt from your closet's nooks and crannies. This attachment is also great for vacuuming radiators, drawers, and bookshelves. The universal dusting brush is ideal for cleaning curtains and drapes. It's very simple and doesn't require taking them down from the rod. Vacuum the curtains from top to bottom, and the natural bristles of the brush will clean them perfectly. Remember to clean your curtains once a month to prevent the buildup of dust and allergens. Regular vacuuming will make your home sparkle in no time. Pour this magical mixture into a bucket, and your floors will shine flawlessly. With this trick, they'll be so clean you could eat right off them. Start by preparing a large bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of salt to help remove dirt effectively. Then, mix in 1 tablespoon of baking soda to break down grease and refresh the floor. Pour in 2 tablespoons of dish soap to dissolve stains and 2 tablespoons of vinegar, which acts as a natural disinfectant. Finally, add 3 tablespoons of alcohol to help the floor dry faster and leave it perfectly clean. Boil 1 liter of water and pour it into the bowl, stirring well until all ingredients are fully dissolved. Then, add 1 liter of cold water to bring the solution to the perfect cleaning temperature. Transfer the mixture into a convenient container for easy application. This homemade solution not only cleans effectively, but also leaves a pleasant, fresh scent throughout your home. After mopping, your floors will have a spectacular shine and look brand new. It's a brilliant alternative to expensive cleaning products, delivering excellent results with minimal effort. Pour this on the floor, and it will shine like a mirror. Grab a large bowl and add 1 tablespoon of salt, which will enhance the effect of the other ingredients. Measure and pour in about 100 milliliters of laundry detergent. Choose one with your favorite scent for a pleasant aroma while cleaning. Laundry detergent helps remove dirt and stains from surfaces. Next, add 100 milliliters of vinegar, a natural cleaner that also neutralizes unpleasant odors. Then, pour in 100 milliliters of floor cleaner, which will provide extra cleaning power and leave your surfaces shiny and fresh. Mix everything thoroughly. Use a funnel to transfer the mixture into a plastic bottle with a dispenser for easier application. Remember to shake well before each use. Pour the liquid on the floor, grab a mop, and clean away. Your floor will shine without any harsh chemicals, and there won't be a single streak. You can also use this mixture to clean kitchen countertops. Throw a laundry pod into a bucket. This trick will give you floors so shiny and clean, you could eat off them. Your floor will finally sparkle like a mirror. Start by tossing a laundry pod into the bucket. Then add a handful of laundry scent beads. Pour hot water over these 2 ingredients. The pod will dissolve, and the beads will too, releasing a beautiful scent. This homemade cleaner is not only effective, but also smells amazing. Now pour everything into a second bucket. This step is crucial. Use 1 bucket to wring out the mop, and the other for soaking it in clean water. This trick ensures your mop stays in clean water, making your floors cleaner than ever. Wash every room this way, and your floor will shine without any streaks or chemicals.